Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here on my channel, please don't forget to click my subscribe button and to hit my notification bell to keep update on my new uploaded video. Minasan konbawa, Kyowa Lesson 2, Jigo Shokai Benkyou shimasu. Kore kara hajimarimasu node, yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. To those people to like my content, this kind of my content, thank you so much. Dun sa mga nag-request na friend ko na until now naghihintay ng part 2 or lesson 2, ito na para sa inyo, to share my knowledge about Japanese languages. So, nakakatuwa kasi there's a lot of comments on my first video, on my lesson 1. So, nakakatuwa kasi sobrang nakaka-touch kasi umabot na siya ng maraming views. So, thank you so much. So, ayan. Kore kara wo hajimarimasu. So, ayan. Self-introduce is Jigo Shokai Lesson 2! Yay! Ayan. So, from start, self-introduce is Watashi wa blank to mo shimasu. So, it means it's you. You introduce yourself. So, Watashi wa Roza to mo shimasu. In English, my name is Roza. So, I will repeat in Japanese. Watashi wa Roza to mo shimasu. In English, my name is Roza. Next, in English, how do you do? My name is Roza. Please be kind to me. In Japanese, hajimemashite. Watashi wa Roza to moshimasu. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. I repeat, hajimemashite. Watashi wa Roza to moshimasu. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. This is the proper way how to introduce yourself in other people. Ayan. The next. My name is Roza, but most people call me Rose. In Japanese, watashi no namai wa Roza desu ga, minna ni wa Rose de yobarete imasu. So, I repeat, watashi no namai wa Roza desu ga, minna ni wa Rose de yobarete imasu. Yobarete imasu. Ayan. So, next. In English, I'm from Philippines. In Japanese, watashi wa Philippines kara kimashita. I repeat, watashi wa Philippines kara kimashita. So, this is the proper way how to teach people that where are you from? Ayan. So, is a common basic. So, mas marami pa tayong itatake regarding on this. Little by little, mas mag-start tayo doon sa basic para mas madali nyong maintindihan at the same time, mas madaling pumasok sa isip nyo. So, I was nice meeting you and see you again. In Japanese, oai dekite orishikatta desu. Mata aimashou. I repeat, oai dekite orishikatta desu. Mata aimashou. I was nice meeting you and see you again. Next, the second way to introduce and talk about yourself. This is the second method. It's very useful to know because now you can talk about yourself. paano kaya natin yun sasabihin, no? So, this is the proper way how to introduce yourself. Ayan. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Roza. I'm from Philippines and I'm 44 years old. I'm a blogger. I've been learning Japanese for 1 year. And I'm learning Japanese because it is interesting. Please treat me well. How to introduce yourself in Japanese? This is it. Hajimemashite. Watashi no namae wa Roza desu. フィリピンから来ました。私は44歳です。私の仕事はブロガーです。私は1年日本語を勉強しています。私が日本に興味があるから日本語を勉強しています。よろしくお願いいたします。I repeat. はじめまして。私の名前はローサです。フィリピンから来ました。私は44歳です。私の仕事はブロガーです。私は1年日本語を勉強しています。私が日本に興味があるから日本語を勉強しています。よろしくお願いいたします。So this is the proper way how to introduce and talk about yourself. So, I hope you guys na kahit papaano, no, may natututunan tayo on this. I create this content because there's a lot of requests sa mga friend ko na gustong mag-work in Japan. So, I'm here to share lang naman. So, thank you talaga dun sa mga feedback, sa mga comments, ayan. And next time, ayan, see you next time in lesson 3. Mata Kongo tomo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Thank you in the futures. Ayan. I hope the next lesson is about days in Japanese and days of the month. Syempre, before I release this next lesson 3, I will keep study muna before I will do it. And I hope this video may mga natutunan pa kayo pagdating sa self-introduce ng Jigo Shokai. So, thank you so much doon sa mga nagbi-build ng strength ko to keep doing this. Ayan. Big shout out sa iyo, Sir JK TV. Thank you so much. Ayan. Dun sa mga uplifting sa akin na this is it, happy muma. This is your content. So, thank you so much. Ayan. Maraming salamat. And, see you on my next video. Ayan. See you on my next video. Minasan Kongo tomo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Sore dewa, watashi no atarashii otomodachi fuite, Nihon jin tomodachi fuite, tottemo urishikatta desu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Dun sa mga nag-views ng first video ko, maraming salamat po. Domo arigatou gozaimashita. And then, I hope na makontinue ko ang mga lessons kong ito at I hope na may natutulungan talaga ako dahil I want to share my knowledge about in Japanese. So, dun sa mga gusto pang matuto, don't hesitate to comment, write comment below on my video kung ano yung gusto nyong itakel, anong gusto nyong itopic natin on my next video. For the meantime, the next video is about the days in Japanese and the days of the month. So, kung sino yung gusto na merong gustong i-feature, so, please don't hesitate to write comment below. Thank you so much. So, minasang mata, next, sugi no lesson wo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Mata ne! Bye! Thank you everyone. God bless you. Mwah! Bye! Shout out sa inyong lahat, dun sa mga friend ko. Thank you so much.